guys, Oldmansneaks here. This is my first episode and first time doing YouTube reviews. This channel will focus on giving you a close look at some sneakers I acquire, mainly the ones you can easily cop, hopefully some hype releases here and there, but battling with bots and resellers, as we all know, can be very depressing. Today we're having a close look at the Air Max 90 Bacon, one of the underrated releases this year, most probably because it's a re-release. Which is good because it means it's an easy cop for the rest of us. I got mine through Novelship, there's a link below if you're interested. The materials on this are just amazing. The mix of leather, the quality is great, the color blocking is a little strong, but it's not really hard to pair with. You can wear it straight up with traditional denims and shirt, or you can even wear it on semi-casual or smart look. Being an older person and mostly an office sort of like environment kind of guy, I usually go for sneakers that I can wear with casual or semi-formal settings. I dress up my sneakers thinking casual first and avoid being the typical look. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.